Welcome back. In the last video we understood how to create a Java application. Okay, we understood how we can create a first our Java application. Now let's understand why these keywords are there, why the structure of the class is like public class, this class name, and why the main method is having the signature like this. What is its role? That one we will understand in this video. Okay. So in the last video I told you, right, and why we should declare the file name with the class name which is declared as public. So here you can see that file name is declared as my first program because the class name also is declared as public. Suppose I am having another class like a class demo. Okay, and I will make this class as public. Then see here, up to now no error is there, but the moment when I will make this class as public instead of that my first program class, then error will pop up. See that error is coming. Why it is coming? Like the public type demo must be defined in its own file. Like the class, like as I told you, the class which is we are declaring as public, the file name also should be the same. Okay, so if I will change the file name to I will change it to demo, then you may see that error will be gone. Why it is still not going? Okay, why? Because means it is also got changed, na? Suppose I'm giving another name to this. See, now the public class is demo and the file name also demo. So now the error is not coming. So understood, right? Okay, let's keep it aside. Now we will understand why this main method is having the signature like this. Okay, better that one we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching.